Well, with the World Cup pots all been sorted out and we're working out that England could get through to a semi-final without meeting anybody huge, why don't we go and have a little look at Kit MM, see what fantastic national kits they've got? There's some absolute crackers been released for the World Cup. Yes, there is. There's some absolute beauties. And Kit MM supplies you with everything that you need for your football needs, as well as Formula One and all your NBA. Everything you can think of, they've got it covered. Hit them up and they will sort you out. Cheap as chips. And like I was saying, we've got the new Argentina shirt here. We've got France, Italy, Spain, Germany, England, Mexico, everything you can think of, as well as retro kits as well from back in the day. You can get the lot. We've got the Welsh kit as well. It's just unbelievable. But what we're going to do, we're going to go through 3 teams who might just be having a bit of fun this year with the World Cup. Let's go and have a look at 3 shirts this time out. So the first one, Humour kit. Just see the badge through there. Open, show you what we've got. Bag put to one side. We do have a bit of yellow. This is the 26-27 World Cup shirt. Senegal. Look at absolute beast. That is one hell of a shirt. Tell you what, that is one of my favourite shirts of the year. It's just got so much detail in it. Look at that. Get it up close. Look at the patterning. Look at that. Which is just a heat pressed on one. Got 1 star. Humour is again a heat pressed on one. So light. Obviously, with the World Cup being in the States, they're thinking along the lines of sort that out. So got Senegal, the Lions. Neck for it is literally so thin. Green. Just it's fruit. Down here, I thought it was a metal badge, but it's not. It's sort of like a badge there, which has got the Puma authentic sign through there. Across the back, through the whole back of the shirt, Puma stick in the neck as well. This here, the 2XL. Like I always say, I am a 1XL. I always go one size up. Don't be caught out, because the sizes do come up a little bit clipped sometimes. Better to get it one size up so you know you're fine. End of the day, rather have it baggy than a little bit tight. That's the first one. Now, this team formed miracles against Denmark. And this one, of course, is the Scotland away shirt. This is what they'll be wearing for away matches during the World Cup. Scotland badge, nice big badge there. Pre-established. Again, a 2XL. Look at that. A little bit thicker. I don't understand how warm it's going to be. Stay cold. We've got an embroidered badge there. I think that one might have been a player version, actually. Yes, that was a player version. This isn't a player version. That's bearing in mind. The player version ones are normally a bit thinner anyway. That could be why that one, Senegal one, is actually like a orangey red. Got the Adidas through there. We've got the thistle on the back. Beautiful shirt. It's a really nice shirt, that one. Very impressed. Scotland, not only outdone yourself against Denmark, outdone yourself your shirt design this year as well. And the final one, this time we have a star team. a Nike team, an England team. Of course we do. Yes, this is the 2026-27 shirt for the World Cup. That there, glorious. Whether we will be, you never know. But that is an absolute stunner. Now, is that one fan version one? But I got to say, it's quite thin. So what the player version is like, I don't know. Got a bit of throwback down here as well. 90. Beautiful England badge. The Nike swish. Of course, the One World Cup. Will we ever live that down? Hopefully in my lifetime. But that there, boys and girls, is your fantastic England shirt 26-27. Hit MM, and that'll set you back a marvellous £11.63. Absolute bargain. Go and hit them up. All you got to do, go through WhatsApp and all that sort of thing. You can't go wrong. Kit MM will have you covered. Now let's have a little look back at the site and see what other ones they've got. Just pick another couple a minute and have a look. Well, of course, goes without saying, you want some kids stuff. So you can get the Wales 26-27 Childs with shorts. Absolutely unbelievable. Look at that. It's an absolute stunner. The Welsh kit is really good. That's going to set you back £11.10. Bargain. Absolute bargain. Just go over to KitMM, speak to them, sort it out through WhatsApp, have your delivery actually before Christmas if you get in quickly. Ain't got a lot of time. Christmas is coming. But you go over and get some of your Premier League kits, your Formula 1, your NBA, and all of that jazz from KitMM. Well, thank you very much for watching, boys and girls. Yes, KitMM has come up trumps yet again. They never fail to let me down. Certainly am going to let you down either. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel, like as well, and don't forget all of our other features with Football Manager going on the channel as well. Over and little chat. Football. See you soon. Goodbye.